what's up, Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and in today's video, we're going to be working on Project Prelude. Now today, I'm going to be removing the cruise control actuator. Before I get to that, I made a mistake off camera, and I need to address it. So when I bought this car, it came with some rotors, some front rotors, drilled and slotted. Rears are already installed, front wasn't installed. So they were rusted. I ended up putting them in vinegar, cleaning them up, making them real nice. They were brand new, basically. Threw them on the car. As I was taking the old rotors off, I realized that these drilled and slotted rotors are not the same size as the ones that came off the car. So whoever ordered these rotors, they were actually for the base model Prelude and not the VTEC Prelude. VTEC Prelude got bigger base in the front. I ended up having to order some new ones for the VTEC Prelude. These bad boys are huge, and these are the right ones for the car. So I'm going to go ahead and swap these out, because these on the car right now shake, and I need that to go away. So I'm going to throw these on, and then we're going to get to that cruise control actuator. As y'all can see, big size difference. That's my fault, but we all make mistakes as long as we correct them. That look good as hell. Oh my god. Them little ass bicycle brakes, man, they don't compare. Alright, so as y'all can see, I just got done with the rotors. They look real good. Now it's time to get to what this video is actually about. And what this video is about is this damn cruise control right here. As y'all can see, this is kind of obsolete. This is vacuum operated cruise control. Go ahead and get that out the engine bay, free up some space. I want to clean up this engine bay as much as possible. We're going to start with that. So I found this good right up on Prelude Power. I'll leave the link in the description below. But basically this guy lists all this stuff to remove the cruise control. Right now it's not even hooked up, because when I had redid the head, I never hooked the cruise control back up with intentions of eventually taking it out. So today's that day. So let's go ahead and get this thing out. So it's a couple of 10 mils holding this cruise control actuator on. I'm not going to explain this too much in detail, because like I said, it's not even fully hooked up. But if y'all are curious about how to do this, I'm going to leave that link in the description to the DIY of how to remove it. It's also a connector right here, a little gray connector. You got it on the clip. We're going to take this bolt out. So here it is, right here. This is literally cruise control. It's going to have a couple hoses on it. I got one clamped off with some clamps right here. This is literally it. So now we have to go in the car and take the, actually I believe you have to take, let's take this off first real quick. It's like a little bracket. The cable is actually hooked up to the throttle in the car. I got this long dumbass extension. So Ghetto Me would just cut the cable, but I don't want to ruin this because it still works. So I'm gonna unhook it the right way, even though I really wanted to just cut the cable. I have to undo this, these two nuts right here. Let me get a wrench. Should be a 10 millimeter. Is it? Oh no, I think it's a 12. Yep, 12 millimeter. Go ahead and back that off. Super tight. Hopefully I can do it with this short ass wrench. Oh, yep, there you go. You know what, I'm going to leave that just like that, because I honestly don't even see the point of taking this fully off. Now I'm going to go inside the car and actually unhook this cable right here. It's hooked up to the throttle. Got to go in the car and unhook that from the throttle cable. So let's do that. Alright, so as y'all can see right there past this on my damn speaker wire, that this little golden piece right here, this is actually what the cruise control is hooked up to. So sorry for the shaky ass camera. I'm going to go ahead and pop that cable off, and then we should be able to disconnect or remove the grommet from the firewall, and then should be able to just pull this cable right out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, so y'all remember me saying I was trying to say this? So Ghetto Me would just cut the cable, but I don't want to ruin this because it still works. I just spent like 15 minutes, only about 10-15 minutes in this damn car, trying to get the throttle cable off the gas pedal. From what I believe, from reading it in the write-up, he said push the little pin towards the brake pedal, which would be to the left. Well, I tried to do that. It didn't work. I ended up cutting that shit. But when I cut it, and then I tried pushing it to the right for the first time, the little pin came right out. So I'm pretty sure you're supposed to push it to the right instead of the left. But from cutting it, now I'm able to just literally just pull the cable right out of the sleeving. So here's the actuator right here. Honestly, I don't even care about that anymore. That just pissed me off. Now it's time to get this little adapter piece out, which is, I'm honestly just going to pull this shit and hope for the best. So let's see. That worked too easy. Throw all that shit in the garbage. And now, you're going to have like various little hoses. I'm going to peel back this fender real quick. It's like a little canister in there I'm going to get out. And that should be it. Everything revolving around the cruise control. When it comes to the vacuum lines, you just have to tap out the ones that's going into the intake. That way you don't have any vacuum leaks. But other than that, that's basically it. You got all this room right here now for activities or whatever. And me personally, I think it looks better. So go ahead and peel this fender back real quick and get the rest of the cruise control garbage out. And it should be it for today. It's nighttime. I'm trying to get done. So get this shit done. Alright, so I got the fender peeled back. And if you can take a look right here, here's like this little canister for the cruise control. I guess it's just the whole vacuum or something. I'm not sure, but since you remove cruise control, you might as well remove the entire system. So you will pull this vacuum line right here out, and then this little bolt, I'm pretty sure that's probably like a 10 mil holding this canister onto the car. So let me get a ratchet and I'm gonna get that off. Now you want to be mindful if you don't take your fender completely off. If you bend it too much, you're gonna end up screwing up your fender. Can I just break this bitch off? Well, that's one way to do it right there. Cause all that shit's garbage. You know, this is race car, so that's one way to do it. That shit's gone now, so instead of wasting time trying to get that bolt out, just break that shit off. So that's it. Now it's time to put this fender back on. The entire system is out the car, and we should be done. Like, that's basically it. So let me go ahead and get this fender back on. Alright, so that's it. I appreciate y'all watching today. We got a few things done on the Prelude. I had a lot more stuff over here to get installed on the Prelude. We got a quick release, the hub, a new steering wheel, some speakers, rear view camera, horn. A lot of stuff over here to get an old girl. So it's going to be a couple more long nights. But I appreciate y'all watching. I know the video was kind of everywhere, but I just wanted to show y'all just me in the garage, my daily garage experience with the car. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all today. Peace out.